Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 50 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Ethereum Classic, followed by WorldCoin, IP, Meme Core, Paul, XPL, ARP, ICP, Pi, and then we're ending with Kaspai number 50. Let's get straight into it. Ethereum Classic against USD. We are still in an accumulation. When is this going to end? So you could see the clear borders right at the top. 40 bucks and 12 bucks. So we have been in and out and in and out and in and out and in and out and in and out of the skinny pink line as it's running through. So once you see the skinny pink line going sideways, this means that accumulation is happening, like what's happening over here. I think it's only a matter of time before this kind of move happens for Ethereum Classic. So this is still a possibility. WorldCoin against USD. Here we are for WorldCoin. WorldCoin is retracing. Anyway, we were anticipating this to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but it's no longer becoming a 1, 2, 3. It's becoming something else. And yeah, there was a symmetrical triangle over here. Broke out, but then we broke back down. So it was unsustainable above the skinny pink line. So yeah, WorldCoin doesn't look to be tradable at the moment. IP against USD. So IP was the same thing. Same feeling that I had when I was looking through Ohm, right? Months ago, right? Ohm had a very, very big giga rally. And then I was like, this is unsustainable. It's only a matter of time before it corrects. So IP, I was also saying the same thing about IP. It's again very, very, very overvalued, and it's only a matter of time before IP drops lower. And so it is dropping right now. If you switch over to the weekly, you will see that this is turning into a bearish engulfing candlestick, and this could be the bearish reversal to come on for IP. IP's market cap is 2 billion. Highly overvalued. Highly overvalued. So I would assume that we're still gonna clear these lows down to $2, right? I think we're gonna go past this towards the downside, probably towards $1 though. So yeah, again, it's not really looking that good to me, IP. So I would stay safe. Meme Core against USD. Here we are for Meme Core. Meme Core is doesn't look like it's reversing it again. Daily, weekly, nope, no bearish signs yet, so we could be consolidating for a break higher. But again, this is very, very overvalued, so a correction is welcome for Meme Core. Paul against USD. Paul is a failure. Paul was a failure. We actually expected a breakout above the skinny pink line. We were aware that there was a bit of a distance over here, and so eventually we came back down. And this target is going to be invalidated because we've already cleared the lows over here. So this was a very nice ascending, very, very nice ascending. But this is what you call a chart pattern failure. Very good example of chart pattern failure. And now we are dropping back down. How much lower are we going to go? Feels like we're heading towards 20 cents. And after that, we could get some sort of a chart pattern here, extended, right? Something like this. We may even clear these lows. But again, it's too early to tell, so nothing much that we can do for Paul. Plasma. Okay, so Plasma had a super duper rally. XPL against USDT. Let's look at Maxi. Okay, there's nothing for XPL. On perps, you will see it. Yeah, so XPL had a squeeze over here. After that, bam, we broke out. So I'm like, that's interesting. Switching down to the 1 hour. What do we see? Potential squeeze for another move higher for SPL. But I would preach caution though. Right now things are dropping, so we don't know how much lower XPL is going to drop. So yeah, again, I still would stay safe when it comes to Plasma. Arbitrum. Oh my god, Arbitrum is also down. Any signs of life for Arbitrum? Nope. Just like Paul, Arbitrum failed to stay above the skinny pink line, and that's it. It's gone. We're back under the support. So to me, Arbitrum is gone. Yeah, the chart pattern is out again. We were anticipating a very nice big inverse head and shoulders breakout, but yeah, it is what it is. So that's Arbitrum for you. ICP against USD. ICP is also quite disappointing. We were anticipating this to be a bearish continuation, right? Previously, there was a rising channel, right? And this is a rectangle. So Preceding trend bearish, subsequent one bearish. Preceding trend bearish, subsequent one bearish. So how much lower are we going to go? We're probably going to clear these lows here. So we were anticipating these lows to be taken out at 370. Right now we're on the way down, so more downside for ICP. Pi against USD. So here we are for Pi. Pi is down again, also highly overvalued. I've suspected this kind of a move for Pi, and it's just slowly bleeding towards the downside. This was a very nice descending triangle. It's down. So yeah, no, it's not doing good. Kaspa against USD. Here we are for Kaspa. Okay, so Kaspa is under the skinny pink line. We're under the skinny pink line. But anyway, this whole thing could become a mountain range, and it could still drop towards the 4 cents target that we have. At the same time, this could also turn into a symmetrical triangle as it breaks higher. But for me, right, if you were to ask me, I would say that the direction is down, more likely than not. But yeah, again, it's still not really that clear yet in terms of its tradability. So I would stay safe when it comes to Kaspa. Alright, boys and girls, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!